Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. A thread pool is a design pattern used to manage a set of worker threads that can execute tasks concurrently. This is especially useful in Java, where managing threads manually can lead to performance issues such as thread contention and resource exhaustion. What is a thread pool? A thread pool maintains a pool of worker threads and provides a way to execute tasks without the overhead of creating and destroying threads repeatedly. Instead of creating a new thread for each task, the thread pool reuses existing threads for executing new tasks. Benefits of using a thread pool. 1. Performance improvement. Reusing threads reduces the overhead of thread creation and destruction. 2. Resource management. Limits the maximum number of concurrent threads, preventing resource exhaustion. 3. Task queuing. If all threads are busy, tasks can be queued until a thread becomes available. Java's executor framework. Java provides an executor framework that simplifies the management of thread pools. The key interface is executor service, which can be used to submit tasks for execution. Example of a thread pool in Java. Below is an example of how to implement a thread pool using Java's executor service. Step 1, import necessary packages. Step 2, create a runnable task. Define a simple task that implements runnable. Step 3, create the thread pool and submit tasks. You can create a thread pool and submit tasks to it as follows. Explanation of the code. 1. Task class implements runnable where the run method contains the code that defines the task's behavior. 2. Executor service. Executors.new fixed thread pool, number of threads, creates a thread pool with a fixed number of threads. In this case, it's set to 3. Executor service.submit, task, submits tasks to the executor for execution. 3. Shutting down. Executor service.shutdown, initiates an orderly shutdown in which previously submitted tasks are executed, but no new tasks will be accepted. Executor service.await termination, waits for the termination of all tasks for a specified time. If the tasks do not complete in that time, it forcefully shuts down using shutdown now. Conclusion. Using a thread pool in Java allows you to efficiently manage a group of threads for executing tasks concurrently. The executor service interface provides a simple and effective way to work with thread pools, making your applications more scalable and responsive. Feel free to run the code example and modify it to suit your needs, such as changing the number of threads or the tasks being executed.